Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going over the element appearing more than 25% in sorted array question in Python. Given an integer array sorted in non-increasing order, there is exactly one integer in the array that occurs more than 25% of the time. Return the integer. So example 1, the array given is here and the output is 6 because, well, the length is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 multiplied by 0.25 is 2.25. So more than 2.25 times is more than or equal to 3 times. So there is only one element that appears more than or equal to 3 times, that is 6, so our output should be 6. To solve this problem, let's read the question again. There is exactly one integer in the array that occurs more than 25% of the time. That can be interpreted as only one integer occur more than 25%. So the other elements in the array all appeared less or equal to 25%. So that means that the integer is the most common integer in the array. So for that, we can just use the Python's built-in collection.counter most common function to write it. It's really straightforward. Just return collections dot counter, and we pass in the array, and we get a dictionary, and we use the most common method of it's a dictionary method